Hey there everyone. I hope all of you out there is doing well. Well, before starting this video, I just want to say one thing. COVID is not over yet. So maintain safe distance, maintain some basic precautions, and always don't forget to carry a mask. For those of you out there who doesn't know who I am or what I do, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Siddharth. I'm a digital marketer by profession, and for the past 5+ years I've been doing digital marketing. But I didn't start off with digital marketing in the first place. Rather, I started off with graphic designing, then I updated my skills to video editing and animation, and then slowly and gradually I learned how to stack up my skill one on top of the other. And recently I've had 6 clients which I had to let go because I want to concentrate all my attention to my computer center. And today that's what I want to talk about, that how much flexibility you get by having or owning your own business. And looking at the current situation, every business out there is shifting their focus digitally, building their brands online, creating sales funnel, making and distributing content all over social and other platforms. And millions of companies out there are looking for people who can provide these kind of services to them, and they are ready to reward you with handsome amount in return. You can give services to the companies like digital marketing, illustration, animation, video editing, SEOs, website designing and development, social media handling, then digital marketing, the entire package, and many more. There are 1001 companies out there who are looking for people who can do these kind of services professionally for them. And the major advantage is you can work from the comfort of your home. That's what I've been doing for the past 7 years, and I want to teach the exact same thing to you guys. So if you want to earn money from the comfort of your home and be your own boss, then give me a call at 8910106632, or you can also DM me anytime you want and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you soon.